Welcome back to this interview series brought to you by Techcanvass. Techcanvass is an IIT endorsed training partner and PMI authorized training provider. Techcanvass equips professionals to pass certifications in the first go and become industry ready. Hi, this is Sudip and I would be your host for today's session. I have more than 15 years of experience across various domains. Today, we have Shivasharan with us from Bangalore, India, who is an ECBA certified professional. Welcome, Shivasharan.
Thank you, Sudeep.
So, Shivasharan, to start with, can you please tell us about yourself and your background prior to becoming a business analyst?
Sure. Sudeep, I was working as a business manager in IT-based company, Bangalore, called Techcanvass Technologies. So we as a system integrators used to help customers building their data centers and all around with respect to IT solutions like storage, server, cloud solutions, whether it can be hybrid cloud or private cloud, and virtualization, communications, and security, everything. So I had an experience of 4 years in that industry. I used to cater enterprise customers in Bangalore, and as a company, we had aligned with Dell Technologies, Nutanix, Cisco, VMware, HP kind of industrialist for the better solutions.
That's really nice to hear. Yeah.
So recently I quit that job post my ECBA certification, and I'm right now trying for a new job opportunities, as well as I'm working on my other certifications as well.
No, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. And if I may ask, how or why did you decide to become a business analyst?
Okay, basically I'm an engineer. Post that I did my MBA in Mysore. So then after I started my career as a business manager. So I started my career with a startup company, and I was the first or second employee for that company. When I was joined that company, it's almost 3 to 4 members in the company. But now it's grown, and it's been 30 to 35 people around Bangalore, and we have a branch office in Singapore as well. So we are doing great, and I have learned the small things to big things in the company that helped me a lot to grow my career. And when I was looking for a better career options apart from sales, business management, and other opportunities, so I felt that business analyst can give me a better career options, and it was very familiar to my activities, whatever I had done in company, as well as for my personality. So I was always been a leader and active in the leadership activities. Along with that, so I was always wanted to be in a management side, and it has great opportunities all over the world, and it can be we can work for a company, or we can be our own company, and we can start consulting our own customers. So that much of flexibility it has, and I felt this was the better option for me to move ahead with my career options.
Okay. Understood. And that completely makes sense. But let me ask you this, considering that you have catered to various functions within your organization, you chose to move forward with business analyst. So did you have any apprehensions about whether or not you can complete the certification and you can become a business analyst?
Nothing like that. Earlier, I was about to start with ECBA from IIBM. I go through the activities and the responsibilities of BA first. So then come to IIBA. So I looked into the certifications and whatever I could do from this earlier stage. And then I found Techcanvass, and I thought it was the right platform. It helped me a lot to understand the concept apart from BA and along with this IIBA. So apart from ECBA certification, it helped me a lot in terms of tools, and the test series helped me, and the projects which they have given, and the syllabus was wonderful. Actually, that helped me a lot to understand the concept individually along with the IIB. So
Okay.
I managed both with my Excel sheets along with my I have an habit of making my own notes. I will write the notes and then I will upload it into Word along with the Excel sheets. So whatever the complications I have, so I will maintain it in Excel. I will take a printout and I will make it for my reference. So whatever I learn, this is my process. So that's why it helped me to get more confident on my BA. Along with that, I had a good experience in my MBA career, MBA also. So I have done many project works and entrepreneurship programs, so and leadership activities that helped me a lot
Okay.
basically. So that's why I didn't get any difficulties or challenges with respect to learning the more things. I always enjoy the learning activities. I never get bored. Even I have applied for my PhD right now, and I had written NET. So I'm looking forward for more reading. That's why.
Wonderful. That's so nice to hear that you're looking forward to learning something new continuously throughout your life, and that would have definitely made it easier for you to grasp the knowledge and the curriculum.
Yes.
So, Shivasharan, after you made the decision to become a business analyst, um,
Okay.
did you face any challenges on the way?
Uh, for me, it's common for the challenges are common for everyone in any new tasks or older tasks. Doesn't matter whatever it is. Even sometimes the easier task also causes many problems because of the circumstances. But challenges with in terms of balancing both work life as well as this new career opportunities. So learning a BA along with managing my office work was a little challenging, but I love challenges. Along with that, finding a right institution or finding a right guide to complete my BA certification. That was challenging initially, but after I joined the course from Techcanvass, it became very easy for me.
Right.
That's it.
You found your guiding star, so to say.
Yeah. No,
That's
I'm
that's
really wonder that the syllabus was very clear and they explained. So one after the chapter, they have given many questions and they were very logical. And
okay.
because of that, I didn't feel I finished my ECBA exam within 30 minutes. That's it. I finished it and I just sat for a minute.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. So, Shiva, now that you have achieved your goal, you have completed the certification.
Yeah.
Can you tell us, us as well as the aspirants, your top three advices or suggestions that would help the aspirants to prepare better and complete the certification at their first attempt?
Um, Actually, it's for me, it's not an achievement as of now for completing ECBA. So whatever we face the challenges after completing the certification, that makes sense, right?
Right.
But as of my experience, I can say that be clear with your vision. So if you want to go with that path, however it's hard or soft, doesn't matter. But just be and stick with that, and go very slowly and calm. Understand the topics very well. Differentiate between the topics, whether it looks like the same words, but it has a many what the definitions in it, and the applicable of those techniques, that matters a lot. And don't be hurried. Stay calm, cool, and understand the topics. Go with the flow and take your own time to understand uh, related concepts as well. And don't stop learning with the same what. So Babbitt has its own way of explaining the topics. But apart from that, whatever the topics they have covered. Along with that, whatever needed for a BA, like Techcanvass provided some tools like Jira and for understanding the topics and preparing for BRD and SRS, FRS documents, and so these things will help you to understand more in practically.
Okay. That's really insightful, I must say. That and I'm sure that the aspirants will be benefited greatly with those suggestions and tips that you just now shared.
Yeah.
So Shiva, that's all for now. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us today. We wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.